if we are to grade it from 1 to 10, we could say na nasa 8 na po sila. So kung ano yung nagawa natin sa planning, we could say that this is a planned events, no? It's a earthquake drill in reference doon po sa instruction ni Governor na magkaroon tayo ng province-wide earthquake drill. We really cannot prepare much sa pagdating sa earthquake. Sa bagyo na paghahandaan natin, pero yung earthquake wala talaga tayong kaalam-alam kung kailan yan mangyayari. So ito yung best na magagawa natin, naturuan yung mga tao kung paano sila mag-react in case of earthquake. At the same time, tinuruan din natin, actually each establishment tuturuan natin o tuloy-tuloy yung pagtuturo natin na maging self-reliant sila. Ang ibig sabihin nun, during major quake, hindi po talaga natin maaasahan na yung mga frontliners natin matawagan mo at mag-responde agad. So they should have their own team na gagawa nun. So na-execute naman po yung ating nagawang plano through the initiative or the guidance and leadership of the PDRRM po.